Okay, we have this project to create a Google search campaign. So here is the project details. So we have to do it on any one of these companies, and we have to study the landing page thoroughly, and we have to create a Google ad search roadmap, and we have to do conducting keyword research, bidding optimization, budget planning. Also, we will be setting up the campaign as per the objective we desire. So we will be working on this project. So I will be quickly going to the link. So this is the landing page link. So I have already done the keyword research and the company landing page uh, analysis and the roadmap also. So I'll quickly go through one by one. So this is a company, real estate company, 42 Estate, based in Bangalore, not Ooty, based in Bangalore. They also have business in USA, UAE. So they sell luxury villas. The target audience is 30 to 35 years age. Locations are Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Delhi. So this is the landing page. The landing page emphasizes mindfulness, nature, and luxury. It's leads focus likely with a form for inquiries. Also have CTA. So now I'll show you the Google Ad roadmap. So we are planning to do two type of campaigns. One is lead generation campaign and another one is brand awareness campaign. We'll be spending total 5,40,000 as mentioned over here for next 3 months, and we'll create a roadmap according to that. So the money is divided as 3,15,000 for lead generation and 2,25,000 for brand awareness. So the lead generation campaign that we're gonna do is based on target location, and the brand awareness campaign will be doing with the goal to increase brand search visibility. Again, budget is 5,40,000 for 3 months. We'll be spending 1,05,000 per month on lead generation, and for brand awareness we'll be spending 75,000 per month for 3 months. So this is the bidding optimization part. We'll come to this later. Let's create the campaign first. So I'll straight away move to also I'll show you the Google. One second, I'll show you the keyword research as well, which is already being done. So this is the keyword research. So you can go to keyword planner and check the volumes. So what we will do, we will just copy this and we'll paste it here in keyword planner so that we can get some result. So we can see, so as you can see that we have data 2 BHK Bangalore average monthly searches, everything we got here. Also you can do your research, keyword research from over here, going to here and writing uh, like keywords that is related to the business, like 2 BHK villas in Varthur. So you will see lot of option like Vartu, villa for sale, whatever people are searching for, Vartu for rent, Vartu Whitefield. So what you can do is you just take these keywords and go to the again keyword manager and can check over here keyword ideas. You can check over here. So this is wrong thing. Let me cut this. So you will take this keyword and you will try to check the keyword competition and everything. So once you do that, you see there is no result because the Google doesn't have too much data on this particular keyword. Similarly, you can check other keywords also. So we will directly go to the ad setup part and I'll show you how to create campaign. So to create campaign, we'll go to create section and we'll go to campaign. So if you see in campaign, I already have 3 campaigns over here. So what I will do is I'll go to this campaign. You see this campaign is already being ready. So let's remove this campaign and we will be removing one by one all of them. So let's create a new campaign. We'll create a lead generation campaign over here. So we'll go to lead generation. This is our objective. We'll choose the objective. Then we'll choose use the conversion goals. So our conversions are already created over here. So we'll go with this only, or if you want to create more conversions, you can come here and create. Then we'll select the campaign type. So as per the assignment, we need to create Google ad search campaign. So we will do Google search campaign over here and we will do a website visit and we'll place the landing page URL over here so that people can come to this URL. We'll quickly change the name, campaign name. This is a lead generation campaign. So we'll try to keep the name as easier for us to remember. So lead generation, will provide the company name between the green and we'll put the date from which we are running the ad from. So we'll do the ad from 2nd March 25 to 2nd June 25. Okay, so this is easier for us to remember. Then we will click continue. So it is asking this, these are already draft saved, so we are not going to restart with this thing, so we are creating a new one. So we'll click start new. So once we click start new, it will ask for us for the bidding process. So there are multiple bidding options. Initially we'll go with maximize conversion because our main goal is to convert our lead. and we leave this set a target cost per action as it is, because we don't have any data. We will not click this one. If we have a data after some day, we can come back to this page and we can set a target cost per action on the basis of previous data. Customer acquisition will keep this also unchecked, because we want all customer, whether it's new whether it's old, to be bid the same way. So we'll keep this as it is. Go to the next page. As we are only focusing on Google search networks, we are only doing Google search ads, so we won't be focusing on Google display network. This is for those type of ad which have images, creatives, and we run in the Google display network. So we'll uncross this, untick this. So we will go and now select the locations. So as you can see, there are three options. You can go all countries and territories, you can select India, or you can go for location wise. So we already have our locations where we want to target. So these are the location we are trying to target: Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Delhi, and NRI market. So we'll go ahead and put the locations over here. Bangalore, Bangalore, then we have Mumbai, then we have Delhi, then we have Chennai, and for NRI market let's choose UAE, because they have operations in UAE, and we will choose some places where there is Indian community already living in United States, like New Jersey, San Francisco, like this. If you want, you can exclude some of the places where you don't want to show your ad. For example, if we don't want to show the ad in Kolkata, so we will just go and we will do not include, we will go for exclude. So you see there are two lists now. This is the included, this is the excluded list. So now coming to language, we'll keep the language as English by default. Coming to audience segment, we can create our own audience over here. So we'll go browse and we can go who are they. So like our clientele base is little upscale, because we are selling products which is worth like around more than 2 crores. So we need people who have money. So we will do our targeting on the basis of that. Education we can do. Your targeting audience should be done very carefully, because too much filter will narrow down your audience, and too less filter will keep a broad audience, affecting your cost. So your targeting audience should be done very carefully. So if you see, I'm going through all the details. This is affinity based audience. These are what are their interests and habits are. So we will go to lifestyles and hobbies, and there is like family focus, we can go for business professional, we can go for green living enthusiasts, like that. And similarly we will go for in market audience. In market audience are those audience who are actively researching for a product. So we might have something that we can cover. See, we have real estate over here, so we will cover real estate, and we will be clicking moving, relocation, residential project. Also we have business services, we can see what's inside. So no, this is something we don't need. We'll go back, one more check this one we missed. Avid investors, we'll go for how they have interacted with your business. We have website visitors, we'll do all visitors over here, and that's it. So targeting setting for this campaign, Google gives you two options like targeting and observation. So observation is like the reach is not being narrowed, and in targeting the reach is being narrowed on the to the selected segment that we are choosing in the audience. So we'll just because this is a new campaign, we'll keep it on observation mode. Broad match keyword, when we come, we will just select it here because we will be setting the keyword match types in the next level. So we will do it of use keyword match type, use keyword match type. So we will be setting the keyword match type in the next slide. Ad rotation, we will keep it optimized better for best performing ads. This will keep as it is. We can change the starting date and the ending date. For me, I'll keep the starting date as March 3 and ending date I'll keep as March 3, and ending date I will be keeping as June 3 because it's a 3 months campaign. More settings. Ad schedule, you can change the time at what time the ad will run in a particular day. I will be keeping all day because I don't have again any data, so I will be checking around and will be testing all the time. Later on, once I have data, I can just do it. So campaign URL will keep as it is, we will not change anything over here. We'll go to next. So as you can see, we are going down from here. We already have created the objective, we have already done the bidding part, we have already set our campaign. Now we are into the keywords ad group. So we'll quickly change the ad group name. So we'll change the ad group name over here. We'll keep Jane target location, target location. So as you can see, they couldn't have fetch any data from the link. This might happen. So we'll try to fix this problem. If not, we will be giving our own keywords that we have noted down. So let's check out the keywords that we have already noted down. We copy them, and we will paste it over here. Whatever keyword we need, we will use those, and we will try to keep them in 3 different forms so that I can show you what are broad match, what are phrase match, and what are exact match keywords. So this is the project name, so I'll keep this as brand keyword. So we'll do it as exact. So for exact, we need to give brackets. Similarly with this, we will give brackets. And keywords like this will give quotation. Quotation is a sign of phrase match keyword. So we will put it on phrase match. So the thing is with broad match, whenever you are doing a broad match, so this is a broad match. When you don't have any kind of bracket or when you don't have any kind of quotation, this is a broad match. So what Google will do, Google will find out all the keywords which is nearby or related to this and will show them the ad. But with phrase match it has, it limits user, and it will also help not to generate junk leads. So what I will do, I will try to put most of them in phrase match or exact match. I will use broad match, but I'll use them in very little. You can create different ad group for different match ties also. So as you can see, this one I have left without any quotation or bracket, and this one also I have left without any quotation and bracket. Rest all I have given either quotation or I have given bracket. So you see, Google will suggest you to upgrade all your keywords to broad match, expand the reach for your campaign and get more conversion. But again, this will increase your cost also. So you need to be very careful which keywords you are choosing, like phrase match, broad match or exact match. So coming down now, we'll come to the ads part, where we will be selecting our headlines, we will be selecting our description, and also like brand assets and site links, everything we will do one by one. So let's focus on this ad trend. We'll try to fix this ad trend and make it as good as possible. So if you can see here, our headlines are good, it gives a tick. Headlines are unique also, headlines descriptions are also unique. What is the problem? That the popular keywords that we have selected, you see, these are the keyword that we have selected. So these keywords are not visible, only these two keywords are visible in the description. So what we will in the headline, so what we will try to do, we will try to put all these keywords in the description, I mean in the headlines. So let's try to put the first keyword, and you will see slowly this thing is changing. So let's start with this keyword. We take this copy and we put it here. In Bangalore. Okay, so now when you open this, you will see luxury villas in Bangalore already is being pinged. Follow this, we'll do with other also, so that you have an idea. Villas for sale. Villas for sale in Mindful also been clicked. Let's choose something else. Luxury property investment. Copy. I I try to keep the first letter of every word capital, that way it it looks good in the ACRP. So you see luxury property also. So we are left with all this. We'll slowly do one by one. 2 BHK villa. You see the ad. You see the ad strength have increased. So this way we have to go at as close as possible with the ad strength. Again we will make the first letters capital, to make it look nice on the ACRP. And you will see slowly the crow. So we are left with premium villas in Whitefield. This way we'll go premium villa in Whitefield. We'll copy this. Copy customer satisfaction. Same we will do. Forty-two Estate Bangalore. 42 42 Estate Bangalore. Mindful Living Bangalore. Mind Bangalore. Between the greens we have, we will do this one also. And you see the ad strength become full because all my keywords are being recorded. So if you want, you can change the descriptions as well. I'll not do right now, and I'll go to site links. So site links are nothing but your brand assets. So these assets will show over here. If you go, it will show over here. You see our project, about us, block centers. So I won't be changing this also. Callouts we have. You can go for callouts. I already have some callouts over here, so I'll add and show you. You focus on this part. See, booking is open and add early bird. Once we click, it will show over here. Save. Now we will do it done, and we will do next. So our lead generation campaign budget is, our lead generation campaign budget is 3,15,000. So we'll quickly do a maths. 3,15,000 divided by 90 days, which comes to 3,500 per day. We'll take our budget as 3,500. We'll do custom budget and we'll do 3,500 per day. So you'll see, similarly we'll get your details. Next we'll do in this stage we'll check all the details that we have filled. Campaign type is search, objective is lead, goals are page view, sign up, submit lead form, maximize conversion, bid equally for new and existing customers. Network, we are using Google search network. Locations are Bangalore, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, Mumbai. Language is English. Audience is showing is no segment, but it is some kind of glitch, I guess. Once I do this, I think it will be fixed. Let's go to review again, and you will see that audience is fixed. So there was some glitch. Use this is off because we have given our keyword match types already mentions. So now what we will do, we will go ahead, everything if it looks fine, we'll go ahead and we will publish the campaign. Once you publish the campaign goes on to review. You will see ads are checked to ensure they are safe and appropriate. Digital policy review should take 1 or 2 business days. Normally it takes like around 24 hours. Within that it gets approved. If not, there is some changes, they will let you know. This is a tracking part, so you can put this in the. We will go to the overview page again. So as you can see that there is campaigns being created. This is the live campaign. You see the green sign, these are already paused. So this one is green because this campaign is already being created and is under policy review. You see all the details over here. What we'll be quickly doing is we'll go and pause this campaign as well, because this is a dummy campaign. I will be pausing this. So similarly you can create more campaigns, like you can go there and you can do new campaign and you can create awareness and consideration. There are other options. You can go for sales. The process is pretty much similar. You choose your campaign type, then you select the website, whatever. And things goes in a similar manner like this. I won't be showing you this campaign. So the keyword research is over here. I already showed you the how to do the company research to get an idea about their target audience. Then you can fix your objective and your campaign structure. For bidding optimization, what we have planned is like we will run the campaign for 14-15 days. like 2 weeks, and then we'll work on, like in the lead generation campaign we have started with maximize conversion, we will switch it to target CPA. As I told you before, we are not giving any CPA amount right now. After 2 weeks of data, we will change the target CPA. Brand awareness campaign also we will be doing with maximize click and change it to low manual CPC once we have some kind of data. Also, this part is very important, adding the negative keywords like cheap villas rental and things like that. I'll show you how that is done. So you go straight away over here and you write negative keyword and you will get negative keyword list. So from here you can directly see we already have one, so we can do directly apply to campaign. So these campaigns are paused right now, but we'll still can apply. We'll be applying over here. So these keywords which are in this list will be added as negative keyword, so that when this kind of keyword is being searched for, our ad is not being shown. So rest everything is like already being told. I hope I gave a good idea how to run the campaign.